I'm sitting in a 2014 Honda Civic with push button start. I have one existing prox and one here we're going to add. So we'll go to Honda, Civic, 14. Go ahead and do all. Smart key 3. Turn the ignition on. Remember, it's 2 pushes. Yes, we do have a working key. Do we want to erase all keys? No. Okay, we're going to take the non-working key. I have the window down right here. I'm just going to hold it out the window. Put it right on top of the mirror. It's far enough out of the range. Okay, ignition. It's already on. Okay, we'll take the working key right here. I'm going to hold this out the window. It's on the mirror as well. Okay, take the unregistered key right here, bring it into the vehicle. Hit OK. Turn the ignition off. On. Is the security light out? It is. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Prox keys 3. We are done. At this point, we'll take our key here. It works. Locks and unlocks. Let's see if it turns on. It does. We are done.